Toe tapping, outstanding. I seen it coming all together like a co-parent. See, I got the upper hand and the advantage. Waviest in the land, call me Atlantic. Don't panic when they so ecstatic. These girls wanna take a pic like the Titanic. I smell like money, got the power, gotta respect it. My daddy was a G2, it must be genetics. I feel great, on time, maybe early, never late. When I shine too much, I'm never worried about the shade. Try to say I'm too lit, but they can't blow away the flame. Money shower, grab a towel when I go and make it rain.
I woke up feeling pumped, don't care where this feeling's from. I feel amazing, 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 amazing.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Msnaturally here, and if you are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe before you leave. You definitely also want to like this video because I have some heat for y'all today. I don't know if you all remember when I did this crochet braid video a long time ago, but y'all, this was one of my most popular videos and also one of my favorite looks on me. I love the curl pattern, so today I decided to recreate this look using an affordable kinky curly wig. And y'all, you don't have to use any leave out. You're not going to have to use any glue or gel, no lace. You don't need any crochet braids or even have to cornrow your hair. And I know I'm going to get questions about my head wrap. This is by Chioma Brown on Instagram. I will link it down below. But getting into this natural hair gorgeous goodness of a wig, this one is by CurlsCurls. And y'all, I love their units. Their hair textures are so natural and they really mimic our hair texture really well. The name of this wig is Crystal. The texture is kinky curly and I did get mine in length 18. I love that it has bangs, which require no edges at all, so we won't have to glue this one down or anything. It also is a machine-made wig, and this one is one that does not have any lace. So as a result of that, the wig is going to be more affordable. So this is an affordable option. I know you guys are going to love the price point, and they're currently having a sale. I do have a discount for you guys as well, so be sure to check the description box for that. This unit is so bomb, and y'all know I could not wait to try the unit on, so I'm going to try it on and show you all what it looks like straight out of the package. Now, I was a bit concerned about the bangs. I wasn't sure if they were too short, but once I watched it and everything, and especially after I did what I'm going to tell y'all about later, it really helped to elongate the bangs. So don't get alarmed when you get this unit and the bangs are quite short. I'm going to show you guys how to make them look longer. So now I'm putting the unit on a mannequin head to show you all what it looks like doing a full 360. And then I'm going to proceed to co-wash the hair. And y'all know I love using my Aussie 7-in-1 conditioner. I'm also going to use my Felicia Leatherwood brush in order to detangle the curls. I'll allow you all to watch this process and then I'll come back on when we move on to the next step.
Pardon me, I know it's confusing. Little crazy till you promise I know what I'm doing. Everybody speeding, I just sit back while I'm cruising. Cool with being me, even though I may need improvement. Situations pulling me down. Let's go. Had to find my confidence, now I got it now. You know ain't no stopping it. Looking and I found what I thought I never might find. Yeah. Now I got joy lasting longer than a lifetime. And they say this can't be real, there's no way. Man, what's your deal? How you getting low blow and just go high? Not getting burned when the world's on fire. Can't wait, life goes too fast, gotta stay sane. Everybody want that when the boat getting wavy. I might look a little crazy.
So after co-washing the hair, as you all can see, it looks so much better and the bangs actually look longer. They look so great and I feel like you could wear it like this. But I did decide to frame my face a little more. I felt like the bangs just weren't really doing enough for my face. So I'm going to go in on the sides and shape it a bit. And I'm also going to shape it in the back some, but you can leave it like this if you desire to. But I feel like cutting the sides at an angle, that's really going to help to make your face pop a little more. Especially with my face shape, I just feel like it's necessary.
I'm sorry, don't mind me, I'm living just like I'm free. Vibing, can no one stop me? Problems going on.
It's time to style the hair. So I'm going to start by adding my styler, which is going to be the Melanin Hair Care. I love this leave-in conditioner. It is so moisturizing. So I'm going to apply that first and then proceed to do a twist out. I have not done a twist out in so long. So I was really excited to do it on this unit. I felt like it would turn out really good. And to take it up a notch, I decided to put some perm rods on the ends, creating a twist and curl. So we're going to be able to fake a twist out and have people thinking that we've been natural forever, and also have them thinking that we went to the salon to get our hair done. Like, this style by the end is going to look so polished and professional, and it's really easy to do, and you can do it from the comfort of your own home.
Has it finished? Why are you asking me now? What type of question is that one? York, boy. Is the album finished or do we have a few more songs to go? It seems like it's got one or two more. Oh, we are not done yet. Exactly. Okay. No, heard you, Sha. What is all this ruckus? Tell me.
Bossa, bossare, bossa, bossare. Shoti mommy woppa, motikoni woppare. Shoti mommy woppa, motikoni woppare. Like, hey, love me mother, send the dollar, that's just all I say. Undercover, then they call me, yes, so boomba, yeah. Whatty retty, thanks for waiting, better move my way. Stop the hating, no debating, here's the truth I say. On your mark, get set and go. Mind the line like a rectangle. I'll be fine if they let man go. Goals been good, had to let man know. Ain't no need to finesse angles. They don't see what the left hand knows. I don't need what the next man shows. I say, Gusa, love me mother, send the dollar, that's just all I say. Undercover, then they call me, yes, so boomba, yeah. Whatty retty, thanks for waiting, better move my way. Stop the hating, no debating, here's the truth I say. Bossa.
Alright, y'all, now that I've twisted the hair up and added perm rods to all of the ends, it's time to allow the hair to air dry. I decided to let the hair air dry not just for the night, but for an additional day. And this is a major key in ensuring that the hair is fully dry, as well as ensuring that the curls are really defined. So be sure to add that extra day if you are air drying, or place the hair under a sit under dryer. That would be another great option as well. Alright, so now it's time to see what we are working with, y'all. It's time to remove these perm rods and untwist the hair. When I took the first perm rod off, I knew this hairstyle was gonna look amazing. Now I used two different methods in order to take the perm rods off. One method being to just slide it off, and that was the easiest method, or just to wind the hair off the perm rod. Super easy. And then after doing this, I'm gonna take down the twist and then proceed to separate the hair.
Thank God we made it. Yeah. I'm putting on. Came out the struggle. I made it home. Never fold even when it's running long. Shout out to you. Couldn't make it on my own. So we say thank God we made it. I've been on the grind for some time now. Hit a couple walls, that's a timeout. Grateful for the ups and the downs now. Keep moving on, yeah. Keep moving on, yeah, yeah, yeah. Started off with the local shows, now it's Google Maps. Overseas, I couldn't speak the language, had to Google that, yeah. All the numbers looking so low, couldn't do the math. Then God came and took it to the max, yeah. Took some losses, I done took some losses. I was about to give it up, but wifey told me trust the process. Benja hit me with the blueprint. 4 years later, now I'm popping. Now the team ain't never stopping. We ain't got no other options. Ooh, sign with Amplify, sign with Amplify. Now we on the rise, now we on the rise. Ain't wasting no time, ain't wasting no time. God, he had a plan, I just had to make it mine. Thank God we made it. Hallelujah. I'm putting on. Came out the struggle. I made it home. Never fold even when it's running long. Shout out to you. Couldn't make it on my own. So we say thank God we made it. 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 Never fold even when it's running long. Thank God we made it. Thank God we made it. Thank God we made it. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I made it out the struggle. Always stayed out of trouble. Blessings looking like they double. God's been looking out for a brother. Doing my thing, living this life like I'm supposed to. Hey, living my fam, making these jams for you to ride to. Hey, reach my goals till my half falls out. Got you, making sure my people eat while I'm well off, not just top food. I've been truly thriving in my lane, impacting the culture, so that means I'll never change. No, trust me when I say I ain't doing this for the fame. I'm just introducing something fresh to the game. I celebrate life, cause everything will be alright, yeah. Breath in my lungs, thanks to the man I call Christ, yeah. This world can try to tear me down, but I don't have the last laugh when I make it up. Thank God we made it. Hallelujah. I'm putting on. Came out the struggle. I made it home. Never fold even when it's running long. Shout out to you. Couldn't make it on my own. So we say thank God we made it. Thank God we made it. Thank God we made it. Thank God that we made it. Thank God 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 that we made it. Never fold even when it's running long. No. Thank God we made it. Thank God we made it. Thank God we made it. Yeah. I can never wait around. I just gotta say it now. Grateful to the Lord, gotta thank him that we made it now. Send love to my haters now, tell them see you later now. Blessings, 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 that's that favor now. Keeping them close to me, ooh, right where you supposed to be. Yeah, I just been keeping it cool, like that ocean breeze. Oh, this world will try to break me down, but I just look and I laugh, laugh. The devil he mad, thank God we made it. I'm putting on, came out the straight, I made it home.
And these are the finished results, guys. Wow, this looks like it's my natural hair. It looks so phenomenal. I have not seen myself with this style in a while, and y'all, I am in love. It turned out so good. This is probably the best twist and curl that I've done. I wasn't sure how it was gonna turn out, but I was pleasantly surprised. It looks amazing. I need your feedback down in the comment section. Y'all can tell me, this does not look phenomenal. Now you all stay tuned because I will be showing you all some styles that you can do with the unit. It's very versatile as well, which is what I love about it. And I love that although there isn't any lace for this unit, that it still looks very natural. I didn't have to apply any glue, gel, or anything like that to my edges. And my natural hair is well protected under the wig.
Yeah, I ain't lying, I might go dumbo. Super sick of what your ears flapping like a Dumbo. Beat that 808 and slapping, I'm the new Mutombo. All we finished, all we done, I'm not the one to stun on. I got that, whoa, this the type of track you run on. This that once you hear this, you may never wanna come home. This that tell your shawty, watch it when the song come on. This that cannon about to murder every rapper, come on. Yeah, I'm gonna be standing in the street, bringing the heat, banging the beat. I'm confident, I've been the beast, flaming the G-Rap in the middle of the West. I'm wild with it, I'm a grind by, get the means I gotta be, get it ready for the haters often. I'm the venom, ripping instrumentals, beware, be cautious. I'm a gunner with the quickness, coming with the vicious, juice up, loose up, I'm on the mission, get out the kitchen, y'all don't believe it with us, I'm trying to get ahead of my business, keep with the faith, not to the big round with the grace, get it down for the culture. Let's set it straight, who besides Doc and Derek, raise it up, soldiers, I'm chosen. Name a couple artists that can rip the cannon hard out, Hadoken, hotter than a cup of coffee with the cream simmering, what's the commotion? He's a naked 40 cannon coming with the whole conglomerate, I'm posted, I'm dragging anybody coming for me, I'm a champion, they know this. What is y'all saying? Y'all don't want me to go no sin, go Super Saiyan. I go back up in the studio and then they get to praying, Lord Jesus, here you go again, here you go again. I'm shining, but no, not like my watch. You find Christ church like my heart. Yes, my hood, yes, my block. I don't want attention if I'm a rap, I'ma sit aside, man, I want no props. I want God, them see God, bless his body. We got flux, running everything, man, in the brain, getting in the heart, man, it's shining what you kinda getting heavy in the game, but it ain't my strength.
All right, y'all, that's the end of this tutorial. I hope that you all thoroughly enjoyed it. CurlsCurls did a phenomenal job on this unit, and I love that it's so natural as well as affordable. So you all should definitely check out this unit. Be sure to check the description for all the links and specifications, as well as the sale details and discount code. I love you guys. I look forward to your comments and feedback, and I will see you all in my next tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys.
This that tell your shawty, watch it.